Hello guys, I'm Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 9. Today's we are going to discuss about the user role because user role are very important before starting the appearance sections. So first of all, go to your users. You have few fields inside your user sections. All users, new user, user profile. Hit the all users button. You have currently 2 users. You are a user because you are admin, and in the previous lecture we have created an account. The name is John. Okay, added this account. So as you can see, the role of this user is the subscriber. So go to your now so this is your Chrome. I am logged in because I am admin. So now I am going to log in as a user. Login. So John 123, remember me, login. So now I have just logged in as a user. So as you can see, if you are defined as a role subscriber, so they can only manage their own profile. They can only update the first name, last name. They can only upload the image. They can only change the password. Okay, they can only visit the just dashboard, their activity, nothing else. They can only visit the website as well. They can only post the comment. So before posting, you admin approve that post. Okay, so now if you want to change the role as a contributor, so change role as a contributor, update the user. So now refresh the page. So now as you can see, you have post section, and now you are allowing that the user can post, and also he can check the comment sections. They can also manage their account first of all. So as a user, he can or she can create any post and can submit for review. Make sure can submit for review. Okay, so go to your post. So now as you can see, it's currently showing the pending because you have to approve this post before publishing. Okay, so if you want to edit this, because I'm currently editing this post, so okay, I have to say that take over. John is already editing this post. Do you want to take over? Okay, take over this post, and you can edit, you can move to trash, whatever you want to perform with this, because you are an admin, you have all the rights. The contributor can post, can edit their own post. Okay, so as a user, he can view the comments because he is the contributor. He cannot update, he cannot accept any request, just he can view all the comments. So go to your user section and update the role. So now this is the contributor roles. When you assign the author role to your user, go to your page. So now as you can see, it's currently showing the media and the post as well. So now as a author, he can directly post to your website. For suppose post without the review, he can post directly to your website, and he can also manage the media sections and go to your comment, and he can also view the your comment section. So if you want to assign the editor role to your user, so update the user, go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, he can also create the pages, he can also manage the pages, but before creating the pages, he is also submitting the page as well. So as the editor can create the post, editor can manage the pages, editor also can manage your media section, and editor can approve or disapprove any comments, or can spam or can delete any comments. So your editor can do anything without changing the themes, using updating the plugins. He cannot update your themes, he cannot update your plugins, he cannot change your website. If you want to assign the administrator role to your user, then what happens? That means you are as an administrator and you are assigning the same role to your user. That means he can do anything with your website. He can also update the theme, he can delete the theme, he can update the plugin, he can delete any plugin, and he can do anything. So this is the user role sections, because this is very important before starting the theme. So that's why we introduced the user section. So you have learned the subscriber role. The subscriber can only manage their own profile. The contributor can post any post, but before posting he have to approve the current post. The author can post any post without approving. The editor can create the post, can create the page, can manage the media section without approving anything from your side or from the admin side. And as the administrator, he can do anything or she can do anything. So these are the rules in the WordPress, the user roles, sorry, not rules. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture, we are going to create, or we are going to start the appearance section, so you can easily understand how can you embed the themes, how can you start customizing your theme, how can you create your menus, how can you create your headers. So I think this is enough. So thank you for watching.